Okay, hi everyone. We are Group A, Tutorial 10, and my name is Ali Hassan, and my colleagues are Akram Aziz, Musawwar Hussain, and Awais Sadiq Muhammad. And we are going to show you an attractive dashboard of Power BI, driving excellence and sustainability at Edge Tech. So let's if we first look at toward data. Then we have three data tables over here, different data tables, and mm, all the data models, and we have all. Let me get this first. And in data model, we have all three data tables. You can see here there is a relation between these two tables because there is a kind of a same word in it, a same variable, that is location, this one, and this word location in this table is actually a primary key, and the word location in orders, there is it's considered to be as a foreign key. And if we go toward our Power BI dashboard, these KPIs. The first one is quality KPI. So basically, quality KPI analysis allows us to measure and improve the quality of edge tech services and goods. So quality KPI is considered to be very crucial because as it reflects both uh, customers' satisfaction and business. So we use information from both orders and returns sheet to analyze things. So basically, we have graphs here. You can see the very first one is pie graph, and its title is Count of Reason by Order ID. So basically, you can see this pie graph displays various sectors with percentage and count rate representing different order IDs in different color, you can see over here. So basically, this chart categorize a certain reasons. It could be issues, queries, or any other categorization criteria. And if we go toward this percentage, this percentage indicate the portion of each reason to the total count of reasons collected, and the color coding and the list of uh, on the right side help in identifying which order ID corresponds to which segment of pie chart. If we go next toward is bar graph. So this graph likely represent the number of different products associated with each customers. So we can have the customer's name over here, like Darren Bart, Joy Smith, it's Tony Shire. So these names are mentioned, customers' names are basically mentioned over here, which suggest individual um, customer data is being analyzed. Yeah. And if we go toward the length of this bar, so it correlate to the count of product names, providing a visual representation of data distribution among customers. In the same way, if we go toward the last one, it's this graph basically shows the defective orders. So count of order date by reason and order ID. So it shows all those defective orders by the help of its order ID. So we can get the more information from here. Yes.
Now we are going to discuss about KPI to profit. All right, my mates, just to let me know that I'm audible to you.
Yes, we are.
All right, that's fine. All right, now let's just talk about the profit. And first of all, we have three main streams. First of all is revenue by product category, and the profit margins by location, and the sales trends over time. So first of all, we talk about profits, and so sometimes we are having increased revenue and sometimes revenue decreases. So it depends. So first of all, we are having revenue, and we talk about it. When we provide good services, and definitely we expect good profit from our customers, and the good revenue will generate. And the second one is profit margins by the location. So there are different locations, and I will definitely show you in the graph as well different locations, and there's some of profit in pound and sales by location, etc. on there. And if we talk about sales trend over time, by viewing all these things, and the fluctuations definitely come into the market, and it affects on the products as well. So now move to the first line graph, as it is showing the different locations. If we talk about the cities locations, the first of all we are having Leicester, Manchester, Ryde, Birmingham, Bristol, and St Austell, Dover, London. These are different city names and places. And at the end we are having Southern. So if we talk about their profit rates, the maximum is 2 million, and the lowest is Southern, as per showing in the graph. So we are talking about sum of profit and sum of sales over here, mainly as per locations mentioned in the graph. If we talk about the sum of sales by the product category, we are having different product categories as phones and tablets, TV and audio, gaming, computing, home and outdoor. And we talk about their sum of sales, their maximum phones and tablets, that's approx more than 6 million. And so yeah, and
Thank you.
let's talk about sum of sales. And in the shortly, I'm gonna discuss you with my mates, and there are different month names as January to December, and the sum of sales are 0.0 million to 1.5 million. So this is how it works. Yeah.
Yes, I will discuss about the KPI 3, sustainability. And in sustainability, I will discuss about the analysis of sustainability metrics, and there are 3 tables. And the analysis of sustainability metrics, first of all, is energy consumption by location, and second is waste management metrics, and third is carbon footprint estimations. And there are 3 graphs of sustainability. First of all is line graph. In line graph, there are count of ship mode by product category, and in count of ship mode product category, the maximum value is 3K, and the minimum value is 1K. And the product categories, in the product categories, there are some products like phones and tablets, gaming, TV and audio, computing, and home and outdoor categories. And in the second diagram, there are count of order by ID by reasons, and there are some reasons in different colors. It shows first of all is blank reasons, which is the 8.4K, 20% over, and the second is defective reasons, which is also shows the 8.4K, which is the 20%, and the third one is other, which is shows the 8.4K is the 20%, and the fourth is wrong color, which is the 8.4K is 20%, and the last is wrong product, which is the 8.4K, which is the also 20%. All these reason values are the same. And the third is uh, sum of shipping cost in pounds by location. In this graph, I have discussed about the 10 cities. First of all is Leicester, which is the 20K pounds shipping cost, and Manchester, and third one is Birmingham, Ryde, and Bristol, and other is Dover, and Blyth, Cambridge, St. Austell, and London Stratford. And the maximum shipping cost value is the Leicester have 20K, and the minimum shipping cost values has the London Stratford, which is the 5K. This is the KPA3 sustainability diagrams, and that's all.
Yes, Abbas.
I I can talk about KPI for customer satisfaction. So customer satisfaction is our custom KPI that we have selected based on what is critical for the company and sustainability and the growth of it is called customer satisfaction. And there are the three characteristics in customer satisfaction, which is which is customer feedback analysis and net promoters or NPS, response time to customer queries. And we need to talk about like first graph in count of customer name by reason, and the name of the reason is first is blank graph color is blue color and blank. There is a defective and other wrong color and wrong product. And vertical axis, they are the main reason is 0 to 5K. And second graph shows sum of sales by customer names are Imley, Grand, and Dave. So on customer name Tracy. The graph shows is like customer complaints resolving, which has crucial indicators of customer satisfaction and relationship using by a loyal number. It can be forecast about business development.
Yeah, thank you.
And last, yes, thank you.
All right. So finally, we are going to discuss about the recommendations as a very good session we had. So if we talk about the recommendations, so first of all, we are having stress on quality control processes, and the number second is optimize profitability across all locations. These are all the recommendations. And the third one is advanced sustainability efforts and helping to boost customer satisfaction and customer loyalty. And these are different points, but I'm telling you randomly. And the number five is revolution broadening technological adoption. So first of all, if I'm shortly overview all these points, I will say like we use analytical techniques over here. So it strengthens our supplier assessment and obviously good results generates. And secondly, we optimize profitability across all the locations as we have discussed before, the different locations, and it optimizes profitability.
Yes.
And
Yes.
once
Thank you so much to all of you. Now, finally, we have these references, and that's the end of our presentation. Thank you so much.